Alright guys, out here at North York Street, which turns into Hirsch, and then Waco. And it's an abandoned railroad, which abandoned sometime in like 2019, I believe. And I'm here to do a crossing tour. So here we have an unmarked base. I don't know if there's anything on the bottom that is legible, but we have a pair of Western Cullen Hayes 12 by 20 inch lights. As you can see, Western Cullen Hayes, and they were fitted with LEDs and Wabco bracket, which has been slightly opened. I don't know if you can see in there. Anyways, I'm gonna cross the street. And here, same unmarked base, clamp style. And this one actually has a unmarked light, which is incandescent, 12 by 20, and I believe it's probably a Wabco or USNS. Hopefully someone in the comments can give me the name. And another Wabco bracket with actually an LED Modern Industries 12 by 24, which has Electrotech LEDs. And no bell on this. The only bell on the crossing is all the way over there. Anyways. This is the signal someone seemed to have hit. I don't know when this was knocked down. I just recently found this, but it's another unmarked base. This one's last light, someone probably took it. The other one, which is an LED, actually, I remember this, is another unmarked light, probably a USNS or Wabco. Another Wabco manifold, at least I think, which is opened. You can see they cut the wires that used to go to this light. And that one's incandescent, which is pretty nice. You can hear the train. This is the final crossing signal. This one actually has bell and Western Cullen Hayes with a Western Cullen Hayes manifold, or WRS manifold, and LED lights. The base, Western Cullen Hayes signal base. And I don't know if you can see in there or not, but yeah, they didn't cover that up for some reason. And what I believe over here is a Griswold relay case, which is pretty neat, although it is abandoned. Doesn't seem to be locked. Doesn't want to move though. Let's try the other side. Yeah, this thing does not want to budge. And here's the battery box. And this, as you can see, is in fact a Griswold signal relay case. There's the ventilator fans right here. There's one on the other side too. And the marker light, indicator light. This would show that the crossing was active, but since it's no longer active, that is not on. Anyways, that concludes the tour of the railroad crossing on North York Street.